Autosuggestion is the third step to wealth because it is the mechanism that programs belief into action. Desire sets the destination. Faith gives confidence, but autosuggestion is what installs both into the mind so deeply that they begin to operate automatically. In the language of the sea, autosuggestion is the daily command a captain gives to the crew, repeated until it becomes instinct. Every person is constantly practicing autosuggestion, whether consciously or unconsciously. The mind absorbs repeated words, images, and emotions and treats them as instructions. If a person repeatedly tells themselves, "I'm not ready," "I'm not good enough," or "this is too risky," the mind accepts these statements as facts and builds behavior around them. Over time, hesitation becomes automatic. Autosuggestion works because the subconscious mind does not argue. It executes. It does not analyze truth or logic. It responds to repetition and emotional intensity. This is why negative inner dialogue is so dangerous. It trains the mind to expect failure long before action begins. A captain understands this principle intuitively. He does not allow chaotic orders on deck. Clear commands are repeated until every sailor knows exactly what to do, even in the dark. Autosuggestion serves the same function internally. It replaces random inner noise with intentional direction. Effective autosuggestion is specific, emotional, and repeated. Vague phrases produce weak results. Strong statements, spoken with conviction, create alignment between thought and action. When a person repeatedly affirms a chosen identity, "I am disciplined," "I am capable," "I finish what I start," the mind begins searching for behaviors that confirm those statements. This process is not instant. Just as a ship does not turn on a single command, the mind does not change on a single repetition. Autosuggestion works through consistency. Each repetition adjusts the internal compass slightly. Over time, the course shifts completely. Autosuggestion also bridges the gap between intention and habit. Many people know what they want, but their actions contradict their goals. Autosuggestion resolves this conflict by reprogramming automatic responses. When the mind accepts a new instruction, action follows without resistance. Wealth is rarely built by sudden motivation. Motivation fades. Wealth is built by program behavior. Autosuggestion is how discipline becomes natural instead of forced. It is how confidence becomes default instead of temporary. A person who controls their internal dialogue controls their future. The third step to wealth is mastering autosuggestion because it ensures that desire and faith are reinforced daily, even when emotions fluctuate. A ship with a steady internal command does not drift. It moves forward even in silence. Autosuggestion is not magic. It is mental training, and like all training, it rewards those who practice consistently. Subscribe to Map to Wealth and set sail for greatness. Your treasure awaits.